Hello. Today I'm going to tell you how to use the Monrovia Public Library's Book Locker. It's located in Recreation Park at 843 East Olive Avenue. It's near the entrance of the Mary Wilcox Youth Center at the corner of Olive and Mountain. The Book Locker can be used to check out reserved books 24/7. If you have trouble visiting our library during our regular business hours, this is a good alternative. To use it, you just need a library card. First, let's discuss how you can reserve a book using our catalog. Just go to monrovia.biblionics.com/catalog. Then sign into your account using your library card number and PIN number, which is your whole phone number. Then click Login. Now use the search field to find the item you want to reserve. You can search by title, author, or keyword. Scroll down to find the item you're looking for. In this example, I'm looking for the second volume of the Heartstopper series. Once you find the item you want, click on the Reserve This Item button. Make sure the pickup location is the Book Locker. You also have a chance to choose how you want to be notified. When you're ready, click on Place Reserve. Now you just wait for the library to notify you when your reserve is ready to pick up. Now that you know how to reserve your book, let's look at how you pick it up from the Book Locker. This will be the first screen that greets you. Simply touch the Checkout button to proceed. There are two ways to access your account. The simplest is to use your library card at the card scanner. Face the barcode of your card towards the scanner and give it a swipe. The screen will change if it's scanned correctly. If you have trouble scanning your card or you didn't bring it with you, no worries. Just click on the keyboard icon and you'll be able to type in your library card number. Click Login when you are finished. Once your library card is in, you'll be asked to type in your PIN number. Remember, your PIN number should be your entire phone number, including area code. Click Login when you are done. Now the screen will show the book that's on hold for you. Click on Accept. Now the book has been checked out to your account and you will see the due date. You can print out a receipt if you want to. However, if you get email notifications, you will get your receipt emailed to you automatically. Click on Finish to clear the screen. As soon as you clicked Accept, the locker with your book will open. Do not close the locker until you retrieve your book. You will not be able to open the locker again. Once you have your book, make sure the locker is completely closed. If you have anything you want to return, place it in the return bin. To do this, open up the return tray and place your book inside. Then close the tray. You should hear a thump when your book is safely deposited in the return bin below. I hope this video encouraged you to try out our Book Locker. Thanks for watching.